Hey, Brian from Garage Mahal. If you need to keep your knife sharp, it's one thing to use one of these devices, you know, which will get your knife absolutely sharp, but you need a Strop. I always wonder if I'm saying that correctly, but this is going to be your leather Strop. So you basically have leather on one side, and this is great because you can fine-tune your knife. And again, I don't have the best technique, so I'll lay this here to keep it nice and straight. But if you want to give your knife that nice finish when you're done sharpening, that is what you're going to use. And I mean, what a difference that makes. Anyhow, that's by BeaverCraft, so that is pretty cool. Anyway, Brian from Garage Mahal, thanks for watching, and be safe out there.